Hello, welcome to my channel and thank you for coming back. Homemaking is more than just a task or a duty. I feel like it's an art, a labor of love that shapes the very essence of our lives, right? It is about creating a sanctuary, a heaven where we find solace, joy, and belonging. Let me know if you disagree. In the hustle and bustle of our lives, our homes stand as an oasis of tranquility, a retreat from the chaos of the world. Through the simple acts of tidying, decorating, and caring for your space, we infuse it with warmth, personality, and character. Homemaking is about so much more than just physical space. It is about nurturing relationships, fostering connections, and building a sense of community. It is in the shared meals around the dinner table, the cozy movie nights on the couch, and the heartfelt conversations by the fireplace that the true essence of homemaking is found. But homemaking is also about resilience and adaptability. It is about turning a house into a home, regardless of its size or shape. It is about finding beauty and comfort in the smallest of spaces and making do with what we have. As we embark on this journey of homemaking, let us remember that it is not just about the destination, but the journey itself. It is about the memories we create, the traditions we uphold, and the love that binds us all together. So let us embrace the art of homemaking with open hearts and open minds, knowing that in the warmth of our homes, we find the true essence of life itself. And also, life is a magnificent tapestry, woven with threads of joy and sorrow, triumphs and challenges, moments of laughter and tears. It is a journey that each one of us embarks upon, filled with twists and turns, highs and lows, and endless possibilities. At its core, life is a precious gift, a fleeting moment in the grand scheme of the universe. It is a chance to explore, to learn, to grow, and to make a difference in the world around us. It is a journey of self-discovery where we uncover our passions, fulfill our dreams, and forge our own paths. But life is also a teacher, presenting us with lessons that shape our character and define our destiny. It challenges us to persevere in the face of adversity, to embrace change with courage and grace, and to find strength in moments of weakness. In the tapestry of life, each of us plays a unique role, contributing our own colors and patterns to the fabric of existence. We are connected by our shared humanity, bound together by the threads of love, compassion, and understanding. As we navigate the complexities of life, let us remember to cherish each moment, to savor the beauty that surrounds us, and to find joy in the simple pleasures of everyday living. Let us embrace life with open hearts and open minds, knowing that every experience, every challenge, and every triumph has the power to shape us into the best version of ourselves. So let us live each day with purpose and passion, with kindness and gratitude, knowing that life is a precious gift meant to be treasured, celebrated, and shared with those we hold dear. Thank you so much.